So our team name is Bhim Ke Laddu, and this is a site EdTube, which is an educational site. This is our front page, and this is our sign up page where one can sign up as a teacher or student. We have also used Google Auth here, and this is our login page. We can also sign in by Google Auth. So I'm gonna sign in with my normal email ID. So this is my email ID and this is the password. Now I'm logged in as a teacher. Now this is my teacher dashboard. Here are various details. These are the teacher courses section. Where are the various courses uploaded by the teacher. These are the courses, and this is the videos of particular courses where one can like, dislike, go to next in previous section. One can also comment hello like I have commented there, and go back. We can add their new video, add thumbnails. We can add a new course like by normally filling a form, and we can also add some thumbnail for the new course, or else it will take default. Now when I go to the courses, here comes the new edit course. Now I'm gonna go back. This is my notification where I can get students notification whether they followed me or liked my video. This is my user profile where I can change my details and everything, password and everything else. This is a notify box through which I can send a message to all the students that have followed me and on my profile, and a notification will go to them that I have sent them message. This is a chat room where I can chat to students or other teachers by creating a chat room. The chat room is similar like you have probably heard of Among Us, where you can kick and ban people, public and private. Then you can join room. The public rooms list has been shown there with their room name and password. If I write the room name and type the password and then do join room, I'll be in the chat room where I can send messages, and in the right side I can get the names of the members. Since I created the room, then I am the admin, and if I leave the room, the room will automatically be deleted. So if I again go to the join room, there will be no such room because I was the admin of that room. So again I'm going to back home, and I'm gonna go log out, and now I'm going to log in as a student. So this is my student ID and this is my student password. Now this is my student dashboard where the recommended shows the teachers I have followed, so their videos have been showing me. Now this is my student profile where my details are shown, where I can also change my account info. Now I can also search various teachers if I want to see their videos. So this is their profile. If I go, I can follow them, I can see their courses. Similarly, the notification will also send them that I followed them. If I go to the subscription, I can subscribe to their courses and I can see their courses here, and I can see their videos. I can also buy various courses through, and I can pay them through Paytm. For example, if I write the account owner amount and the order ID, this is a Paytm test gateway, so it will redirect me to their Paytm test gateway where I can enter my default mobile number and OTP, their test OTP. This is the video call system through which a teacher can call a class or clear other students doubt. So here I am going to go to the video call section, and this is the teacher. This is the student one. So I can see the student faces and my teacher, all student faces and my face as well, and I can share my teacher there. That's it.